Shawn Michaels has taken a seat right by us here. The championship is on the line. The corporate champion, The Rock, who sold out on the people.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
There ain't no wait a minute, King. He turned his back on the people. That's what he did.
Look, just because he kisses a little butt, that doesn't mean he's sold out. It's the smart thing to do. Corporate champion.
That one went...
Oh! X-Pac climbing to the top rope. Heads up.
No!
I mean, there is nothing like seeing somebody go flying through the air.
What a ferocious atomic drop that was.
Watch out!
He hits the high-risk move.
I just can't get over what we saw. That was, whoa!
He's dropping from the sky.
To take a chance like that, do you know how badly he must want to win this?
Oh, and a nice elbow. Wow, Venus! Oh my God, that's it!
Uh-oh, X-Pac looking to finish things.
The champion, The Rock. His ethics may have been sold to the highest bidder.
What do you mean by that?
Well, he sold out.
He's smart. He's intellectual.
But he's a magnificent athlete, is The Rock. But nobody has been harder than X-Pac. And he unloads with everything he's got. He misjudged the range on that one. Oh, the people's champ felt that.
Hey, he's going for it again.
X-Pac will not give up. This kid has so much heart. X-Pac.